Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my excellent students. How is life? Hopefully everything is running well. Okay, as written on your schedule, it is now our time for basic reading class. Are you ready with your module, paper and pen? So, let's open the class with Basmalah and let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi robba wa bil islami dina wa bi muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin. Okay, first of all, I would like to apologize to all of you that today I only send you this video instead of lecturing you directly, yeah, because today and tomorrow all the FVBA lecturers are attending a workshop, and it is started from 8 in the morning and finished at 3 p.m. Okay, therefore I deliver the lecture by this video to keep our class still go as scheduled before, gitu ya. Jadi karena seluruh dosen di Fakultas Bahasa dan Budaya Asing hari ini dan besok hari Sabtu itu harus menghadiri sebuah workshop, ya, dan dimulai itu pukul 9 sampai pukul 3. Jadi uh, tidak memungkinkan untuk bisa memberikan kuliah secara langsung. Okay? So now let's the class started. Okay, last week we have discussed the learning contract of this lesson, and also I remember that I asked you to do a small activity that you that needed to be uploaded into the Google Drive. Okay, and so far I have received more than 20 files, yeah, and I have read, yeah, maybe or around about 12 until 16 files. I have read that. I have opened your files, but sorry, uh, not finished yet. Yeah, and from the files I have read, I found something interesting there with the same directions on the paper. Yeah, on the module. Well, okay, with the same direction, but I can see that you, okay, I see many creativities there. Yeah, for the example is from the picture of the house. Do you remember that picture? Okay, with the same direction, yeah, I see there are many varieties in the final picture. Okay, well, unfortunately, I cannot show you the result now, but inshallah, I will present it to you later. Okay, yeah. So now, let's move to our topic today. Today we are going to learn about the first skill that you need to know in reading comprehension, or okay, in bahasa Indonesia we call it pemahaman bahasa, ya. Sorry, not pemahaman bahasa, pemahaman bacaan, sorry, ya. Uh, yeah. So today in reading comprehension, the topic is about scanning. You know, scanning is very important in reading, yeah. And okay, hopefully, I really hope that you already printed out the PDF file module to make you easier to do the exercises, because in this lesson, yeah, uh, oh, sorry, not only this lesson, but also in the future, yeah, in this lesson, in basic reading, uh, this module is still be used, yeah, and you need to do many exercises from this module, yeah. So I think you will find difficulties if you need to read the reading material from your handphone or laptop, for example, and do the exercises, write your answer on other piece of papers, yeah. But it's okay if you still don't print it yet, yeah, print the file yet. Hopefully for the next week you have print out the module. Jadi sangat saya harapkan bahwa Anda bisa mengeprint modulnya. Jadi akan memudahkan Anda untuk mengerjakan latihan-latihannya ya. Karena kalau filenya bentuknya PDF, Anda mengerjakan soalnya di kertas yang lain, well, itu akan sangat wasting time ya. Terlebih itu wasting time. Okay, so now please open your module on page 15 about scanning. Here you are. This is page 14 and yeah, here is page 15. Yeah, unit 1 scanning. So here you can read here what is scanning. Yeah, well, you can read there. Yeah, you can read from this page that scanning is very high speed reading. Yeah, very high speed reading. When you scan, you have a question in your mind. Jadi, membaca itu not only your eyes which are working, ya, tidak hanya mata saja yang bekerja, but your brain is also working, ya, your mind is also working. Di situ tidak hanya membaca, tapi Anda juga bekerja dengan pikiran Anda. You do not read every word. Well, it is very tiring, you know, if you read every word when you read something. So only the words that answer your questions. Practice in scanning will help you learn to skip over unimportant words so that you can read faster. Jadi di sini yang harus Anda baca itu hanya kosakata atau kosakata yang penting saja, kosakata yang important for you, yang penting yang harus Anda ketahui, itu saja yang dibaca. Selebihnya kalau Anda rasa tidak penting, skip. Ya, dengan demikian you can read faster. Okay, in this unit you will practice scanning many different kinds of materials. Jadi nanti akan banyak exercise. Totally there are 10 exercises and each exercise consists of many numbers. Okay, consists of some numbers. Okay, about 10 numbers. Jadi nanti Anda akan mengerjakan sekitar 10 exercises, 10 latihan, di mana masing-masing latihan itu ya terdiri atas sekitar 10 kalau tidak salah, 10 sampai sekian lah. Ya, lebih kurangnya 10. So, you should work as quickly as possible on all the exercises. Remember that scanning is a high-speed skills. Jadi, usahakan bekerja dengan cepat, ya, mengerjakan secepat mungkin. You do not need to read every words in front of you. Tidak perlu membaca semua kosakata yang ada di depan Anda. Ingat, scanning is a high-speed skill. Scanning itu membaca dengan sangat cepat. To find a certain information. Hanya untuk mencari informasi tertentu yang Anda butuhkan. Oke ya. Okay, here there are many kind of text that you need to apply this scanning skill. Jadi nanti ada beberapa teks ya, di mana Anda membutuhkan skill scanning ini, especially scanning for your everyday life. For example, scanning names on your phone book or to find certain information on the newspaper advertisements. So here we are applying scanning for scanning tables, scanning newspaper listing, scanning magazine articles, scanning newspaper articles, and the last one is scanning encyclopedia entries. So now, to practice your skill in scanning, now please do the exercises from the topic of scanning from your module. Sekarang kita akan, Anda ya, Anda, lebih tepatnya Anda yang akan mengerjakan latihannya. Here, I will explain the direction. Saya akan menjelaskan perintahnya, apa yang harus Anda kerjakan di masing-masing exercise. Okay, now, look at the example here. Here, look at the list of art exhibits below. Ini cara kita scanning ya. Contohnya di sini. Look at the list of art exhibits below. Di sini ada art exhibits ya, pameran art seni. You will be able to see the exhibitions of Leonardo da Vinci's drawing in March. Di sini bisakah Anda mencari informasi tentang pamerannya Leonardo da Vinci, lukisan Leonardo da Vinci di bulan Maret? Oke, jika Anda sudah menemukan, that's very good. Ya, kalau belum, saya tanya lagi, apakah Anda membaca semua kosakata di sini? Do you read every single words here from this one? You read this one, and then this one, and then followed by this one, and this one again. Well, that is very unimportant to do and very wasting your time. Why? Because all you need to do is just find a certain information that you want to know. The keywords here. Apa sih yang akan Anda cari? You need a keywords, ya. The keywords here that you need to find out is information about. Okay, here you go. Sorry. You need to find out the information of Leonardo da Vinci's drawing, yeah, and March. If you cannot find Leonardo da Vinci, maybe you can find the information about March. Okay, January, not January, February, not February, March. Here is March. Okay, any other March? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, have you find the information? Have you find the information? Leonardo da Vinci's drawing in March? Finish? No? Okay. If you have finished, that's very good. Yeah. Here you are. Leonardo da Vinci is here. The Anatomy of Man, drawing from the collection of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II through February 21st. Yeah, through February 21st. Okay. Now, ma'am, pertanyaannya kan drawing in March. Oke, kita cari March ya. Here March, Master European Paintings from the National Gallery of Ireland. Ya. Montaigne to Goya. Is it Leonardo da Vinci's drawing? No. Okay. And then what else? Building a collection, Department Contemporary Art, Part 1. Is it Leonardo da Vinci? No. Okay. So, let's see. Is there any other information here? No, of course. Did you read the whole list of exhibition to find out? No. You knew that what to look for. Apa yang harus Anda cari ya? You scan the list to find information that you needed. Apa sih yang harus Anda cari? Oke, saya harus mencari Leonardo da Vinci's drawing. Itu kan? Nah, let's see here. So, oh yeah, jawabannya belum ya. What is the answer then? Will you be able to see the exhibition of Leonardo da Vinci's drawing on March? No, because there is no information about that. Yeah, Leonardo da Vinci's drawing, yes, but it is on February, yeah, through February 21st. On March, no. Okay. Then, okay, we have finished with this. Okay, now we go to scanning in everyday life. Nah, here you are that you need to do, yeah, with the exercises. We start from exercise 1 here. Wait a minute. Okay, now let's start from what page is it? Okay, yeah, here you go. It is exercise 1 on page 16. Yeah. Now, okay, I think you do not need to do the exercise 1 because the exercise 1 is about the book, yeah, the book, this module actually, because this module is taken from More Reading Power book, so yeah, I think you do not need to do the exercise 1. Okay, now let's jump to exercise 2. Here you go. From exercise 2, you need to do the exercise from this one. Yes, Anda sekarang mengerjakannya mulai exercise 2 saja. Okay, in this exercise, you will scan a newspaper ad. Ad is abbreviation from advertisement. Jadi nanti Anda akan melakukan skill scanning ya dari iklan di surat kabar. Read each question, then scan the advertisement to look at the correct answer. Work quickly. Nah, for your information, it is very important for you to remember ya. Perlu diingat bahwa in doing exercise in reading, dalam mengerjakan latihan dalam reading, you need to remember the first thing you need to do is read the question. Yang harus Anda lakukan pertama adalah membaca soalnya, bukan bacaannya dahulu. Ya, it is very important. Why? Because if you read the text first, the passage first, it is very wasting time because after you read the whole text and then you read the question, I'm pretty sure that you already forget the information given in the text. Ya, jadi kalau Anda melakukan mengerjakan latihan atau soal reading, yang pertama Anda lakukan adalah baca soalnya dahulu sebelum membaca teksnya. Why? Karena ini untuk menghemat waktu Anda, ya. Dibandingkan ketika Anda membaca seluruh teksnya, ya, dari awal sampai akhir, lalu Anda membaca soal. Saya sangat yakin bahwa ketika Anda membaca soal itu, Anda akan mencari lagi informasinya di bacaan. So, what's the function of the first reading? Tidak ada fungsinya, kan? Ya, jadi mendingan baca soalnya dulu, baru baca teksnya. Gitu ya. Nah, di sini Anda harus mengerjakan dengan cepat. Find the information that are asked in the question from number 1 until number 10. Gitu ya. Cari dengan cepat informasi yang diminta di pertanyaan nomor 1 sampai 10. Example, I will give you the example here. What is the cheapest car in this ad? Jadi Anda harus mencari di sini yang diminta adalah cheapest car, harga yang termurah. Apakah Anda membaca seluruh teks mulai dari merek, keluaran tahun berapa, dijual di toko mana? No. Ya, yang pertama Anda cari adalah informasi harga. Oke, iklannya mana, Bu? Iklannya ada di the ad is on the next page ya. Karena yang ditanyakan adalah the cheapest car, jadi Anda tinggal melihat harga di sini. Oke. Here or here or this one or this one and so on. Ya, bandingkan harganya. Which one is the cheapest? Ya, you do not need to read every single words here. For example, you read here 1996 Explorers 4X4 for DR, XLTS, and Eddie Bauer. What's the function? Tidak ada kan? Ya, wasting your time. So, please save your precious time to do something else. Ya kan? Gunakan waktu Anda yang sangat berharga itu untuk hal-hal yang lain. Anda hanya mempertimbangkan harganya, harganya saja. Because the question is asking about the price. Oke ya. Now, itu contohnya dalam mengerjakan. Silakan aplikasikan untuk soal nomor 2 hingga nomor 10. Oke. Now, let's move to exercise 3 here. In this exercise, you will scan supermarket ads. Ada beberapa iklan tentang supermarket. With each questions, ya, Anda harus membaca semua soalnya. Then scan the advertisement to locate the correct answer. Setelah tahu soalnya apa, Anda menemukan keywordnya, baru Anda scan, pindai dengan cepat, baca dengan cepat, very quick. Ya, baca dengan sangat cepat informasi yang ada di iklan. Tidak perlu membaca seluruh kosakata yang ada di situ. Hanya cari informasi yang Anda butuhkan. Example, how many different beverages are advertised? Ada berapa banyak jenis beverages, minuman sih yang diiklankan? Nah, Anda tidak perlu membaca carrots, ya kan, pizza. Itu tidak termasuk dalam beverages. Apa aja sih yang termasuk dalam beverages? Oke ya. You decide, Anda yang menentukan. And answer each single questions there. Oke ya. Now we go to next exercise. Part B. Scan both ads to answer these questions. Jadi Anda sekarang diminta untuk scan dua iklan. This ad, ya, first ad. Here, you can see here, first ad, iklan 1, dan iklan 2 ini. Karena di sini perintahnya adalah, the direction is you need to scan both ads. So, please scan advertisement 1 and advertisement 2 to answer these 10 questions. Ya, lalu silakan Anda baca soalnya dan cari information related with that, ya. And then, for your information, Anda bisa diskusi juga dengan teman. Mengerjakan bersama-sama boleh, tapi mencontek no, ya. Mengerjakan bersama means you discuss with your friends, but look at your friends' answer. Saya sarankan that is a big no. Karena Anda tidak terbiasa untuk mengerjakan sendiri. Anda akan merasa kesulitan sendiri one day. Okay, now. This is the second type of text, ya. Now it is about scanning tables. Apa itu scanning tables, ya? Now we go to exercise 4. In this exercise, you will scan the table of atomic weights, yeah, and then read each question. Then scan the table on the right to locate the information. Work quickly, yeah. Don't forget to work quickly. Informasinya sama, yeah. And then here is the tables of atomic weights. Tahu kan? Tabel, ya. Tabel. Nah, informasi apa yang dicari? Example here, for example, number 5 example, ya. What is the atomic weight of hydrogen? Yang ditanyakan adalah hidrogen. Jadi Anda hanya mencari informasi tentang hidrogen. Cari dengan cepat, mana sih yang berawalan dengan H? Okay, you do not need to read every single word here from A, B, C. No, just find H. Hydrogen. Oh, here you go. Find the information related with hydrogen. Ya, that is be asked in the question number 5. Ya, sesuai dengan yang ditanyakan di nomor 5. Oke, mudah-mudahan jelas ya. Oke, and next we go to here exercise 5. It is scanning newspaper listings. Kita masuk ke daftar yang ada di surat kabar ya. In this exercise, you will scan the TV listings. Read each question, then scan the listings to look at the necessary information. Hanya mencari informasi yang dibutuhkan. The necessary information. And don't forget to work quickly. Ya. Where is the list? Here you go. On the next page. Nah, ini tambah ya, very teeny words, tulisan yang amat sangat kecil. Saya tidak bisa membayangkan kalau Anda bekerjanya lewat HP, harus scroll kanan, kiri, atas, bawah untuk to find a certain information needed, ya, untuk mencari informasi yang dibutuhkan. Well, okay, so I suggest you to print this out. Okay, ya. And then now we go to exercise 6. Yeah, it is still related with newspaper. Okay, in this exercise you will scan a bestsellers list from a newspaper. Read each question and then don't forget to scan the list to look at the answer. Okay, work quickly. Yeah, there are 10 numbers again. Oh iya. Untuk yang bawahnya tadi belum saya jelaskan ya. Okay, now back to move up. Yeah, for example, this one. Write 3 more questions about this TV listing. Well, okay, if you want to do it, that's better. If not, fine, no problem. Yeah. Okay, I only focus in this information. Yeah. Now we go to the next. Okay, what is it? Write 3 more questions. Okay, for this question, write 3 more questions. Okay, if you want to do it, that's very good. Yeah, that's very good. 2 thumbs for you, but if you skip this, fine, no problem. Not a big deal. Okay, yeah. Now we go to paperback bestsellers. Okay, 30 more questions. What is it? Wait a minute. We'll scan a bestseller list. Okay, bestseller list. Okay, here you go. Paperback bestsellers. Yeah. Please find out the information needed that is asked in every single question. Now, okay, here you go. Scanning magazines articles. Sekarang Anda akan masuk ke teks yang lebih panjang. Now you go to longer text, ya. Scanning magazine articles. Exercise 7. You will be visiting Boston with some friends in the autumn. Okay, imagine you will visiting Boston with some of friends in the autumn. Anda akan mengunjungi Boston, kota Boston, in the autumn. They would like to spend a day in the country. You see this article about picking apples and decide you want to know more about it. Oh yeah, I know that. Okay. From this information, jadi bisa disimpulkan bahwa Anda akan mengunjungi Boston dengan teman-teman Anda, lalu Anda mencari informasi related with apa di sini yang ditanyakan ya. Oh, tentang picking apples, panen buah apel. Ya, informasi apa yang dibutuhkan? Example, where does the article recommend picking apples? Dari mana sih artikelnya yang merekomendasikan picking apples? Dan seterusnya until number 10. Here is the information about picking apples, a New England tradition. ya, tradition. Oke, ini lanjutannya lumayan panjang. So, remember, do not read every single words. Just read the information needed. Find out the keywords, on the text, and you will find the answer there very quickly. Now, let's go. Oh, yeah, this is about scanning newspaper articles. Almost the same as long as with the previous ones. Hampir sama ya panjangnya dengan yang artikel sebelumnya, magazine. Tapi di sini taken from newspaper. Okay, in this exercise 8, you are doing a report on ethnic diversity. Jadi Anda membuat laporan di sini ya. Anda akan membuat laporan esai ceritanya seperti itu. And you find this newspaper article. Kok kebetulan artikel ini sesuai dengan apa yang harus Anda buat. Scan the article for the answers to the questions below. Anda butuh informasi berikut. Lalu what you need? Anda hanya melakukan scan dari artikelnya untuk mencari informasi yang dibutuhkan from number 1 until number 10. Ya, informasinya itu adalah yang dibutuhkan adalah yang ada di soal nomor 1 sampai 10. Find out the keywords, ya. And then after that, not find out the keywords. Decide the keywords and then find the keywords from the text, from the passage, from this article. Okay, until number 10 again. Now here is the article. Hawaii's ethnic rainbow, shining colors side by side. Okay, and next, scanning encyclopedia entries. This is the last one, yeah. This is the last exercise. Okay. You are writing a report. Anda akan membuat laporan, writing, ya, about Mary Curie for your history class. Kebetulan Anda menghadiri kelas sejarah, Anda harus membuat laporan. And you look in the encyclopedia for some basic information. Kebetulan Anda menemukan encyclopedia ini untuk informasi dasar untuk membuat laporan. Okay, scan the encyclopedia entry below to find the answers to the questions below. Work quickly. Yeah. Examples, the question number 1, when was Mary born? Nah, the question here is about the date. Yeah. So I can imagine about the answer. The answer could be full date. I mean here from the date, month, and year, but it could be also only year. Bisa jadi hanya tahunnya tok yang disebutkan, but it is still related with time. Ya, time in the past of course, karena sudah lahir kan. So, for this question, when was Mary born? Okay, let's move to the encyclopedia here. Blah, 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 blah. Here is the answer. Ya, langsung kan ketemu jawabannya. Anda tidak perlu membaca bla 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 dari awal, dibaca dengan telatennya gitu ya. That is unnecessary. Ya, oke, langsung ketemu. November 7, 1867. Ketemu kan jawaban soal nomor 1? Oke ya, kelihatannya banyak soalnya, tapi if you do the exercises quickly, you can apply to read quickly. I think you only need short time to do all the exercises. Kalau Anda bisa mengaplikasikan scanning ini, saya yakin Anda mengerjakannya ini dengan cepat. Tidak sampai setengah jam. Insya Allah bisa. Oke ya. Now we go to the last exercise 10 ya. Still about encyclopedia. Now you have an assignment, tugas lagi, to do an oral report. Anda harus membuat laporan oral, ya, langsung bicara. Tuh. On a recent development in technology, scan this passage from an encyclopedia to answer the questions below. Work quickly. Hampir sama ya. Anda membaca soalnya and decide the keywords and then find the keywords in the text. Here is the text. Okay, sorry. Here is the text entitled satellites. Okay? Okay, now only until this one. Let's discuss about the exercises. Here, you only need to answer the questions. Jadi Anda hanya butuh menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaannya on the exercise, ya. Pertanyaan-pertanyaan di latihan tersebut. Tulis jawabannya, ya. Tidak perlu dikumpulkan, ya. Kita nanti akan bahas soal-soal tersebut di pertemuan yang akan datang. Remember, here, if you find it is very challenging, you can do it by yourself, yeah, and then after that you can check with your friends, or you can discuss with your friends to find out the answers. Bisa juga langsung diskusi dengan teman. Ingat, diskusi, ya, bukan bagi ya, kamu nomor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, saya nomor 6, 7, 8. No, not that. Dicari bersama-sama siapa yang lebih cepat dalam menjawab. Okay? So, I think enough the basic reading class now, yeah, today. If you have questions, you can ask me from WhatsApp in the WhatsApp group or directly to my numbers. And if I can answer, I will answer you. If it needed to be discussed with your classmates, so I will postpone to answer your question until next week. So remember, read quickly and do your best. Do the exercise quickly. Don't forget that. Yeah. See you next week, inshallah. So let's close the class with hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. See you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.